Next, a polyline can be created by using dynamic input. Dynamic input allows to enter coordinates and object parameters via the keyboard. These two buttons activates dynamic input modes. Let's activate the polar coordinates mode. We'll start creating here. The coordinates of the first point are specified here. We can enter values from the keyboard, or choose what's currently under the cursor. In polar coordinates, we can also specify the segment length. Let's create a rectangle. The segment length is 20 degrees. And the angle, relative to the screen's horizon, is 0 degrees. Go back to the previous edit box. Let's set 10 here. And the angle will be 90 degrees. Switching to the previous edit box is done by pressing Shift and Tab. 20. Let's set the angle to 180 degrees. Going back again. 10. And setting the angle to 90 degrees. We've created a rectangle using dynamic input. The first button is for polar coordinates. The second button activates dynamic input using rectangular coordinates. The coordinates under the cursor are shown here. You can input specific coordinates directly, not just distances or lengths, but precise coordinates. Let's change the coordinates of the z-axis, let it be -16. Next, change the y-axis coordinates to -30. Now let's see what we've created. Here, for the x-axis, let's set it to 30. To close it, we can use snapping. Let's enable snapping mode to points, and snap to this point. We've created this shape. When creating polylines, you can use perpendicular snapping or median snapping. Perpendicular snapping attaches to the segments perpendicularly. Median snapping mode snaps to the midpoint of a segment. Now, let's see what we've created. We've got this shape.